Uh, Congress was established in which year?
1885.
1885. Vande Mataram, first time it was sung in which year?
1896.
1896 in Kolkata session of Congress. You have to say Bengal partition
1905.
1905. Can you say who was the Governor General during the Bengal partition?
Lord Curzon.
Lord Curzon. Okay. You have to say Muslim League was established in which year?
1909.
1909.
1906.
1906.
Yes.
Okay. Next you have to say uh, when first time our national anthem Jana Gana Man was sang.
1912.
1912. 1912 or any other?
1912.
Sure.
Yes.
No. 1911. First time 1911. Okay. 1912. Why it was famous in Indian history?
Sir, no.
Gadar Party.
No, in
1912.
1913 it was established. So in 1912 the capital of
Yes.
established.
The capital of India was transferred from the Kolkata to New Delhi. Okay, very good. And can you say 1914? Why it was important?
First World War.
First World War started, and also about Bal Gangadhar Tilak
Was
arrested,
released.
released. He was released. Okay. 1915. Why it was famous in
Gandhiji
the
came from South Africa.
Gandhiji came from
South
South Africa. Okay, and 1916. Anyone a special event? 19
Lucknow session was established.
Lucknow session.
Lucknow
No.
split.
1916.
Lucknow
Lucknow pact. Lucknow pact. It was between two parties. Who?
Muslim and Congress.
And you can say moderate and extremes. नहीं, ये गर्म और नरम दल जिसे आप बोलते हो. 1917. Can you say why it was a red letter year in the history of India? 1917.
Champaran Satyagraha.
Champaran Satyagraha. It was the first
Satyagraha by Mahatma Gandhi.
Satyagraha movement, and it was started in Bihar.
Bihar.
Champaran located in. Can you say who called Mahatma Gandhi to? No. Who called to start the Champaran Satyagraha? Rajkumar Shukla, I think. Rajkumar Shukla, I think you know about the name of this personality. Name? Rajkumar Shukla. 1917. Can you say the Ahmedabad mill revolt strikes, and also second Khera Satyagraha? And which year? 1917 or 1918?
1918.
1918. Which year? Khera Satyagraha or Ahmedabad mill? Khera Satyagraha first and second. Try to remember. It was taught by your teachers.
In 1918, Ahmedabad.
Okay, 1919. Why it was famous?
Jallianwala
Massacres. Can you say the date of the Jallianwala massacres?
14 April.
14 April. 13 April
1919.
Okay.
And also one more Rowlatt Act.
Rowlatt Act. Can you say the Rowlatt Act, the other name?
Black Act.
Black Act. And after the Jallianwala massacres, what types of committee was established to investigation? No.
Committee.
To investigate this massacres. First, a Hunter Committee. Hunter Committee, it was established by British rulers. And also second, Tahqiqat Committee. Tahqiqat Committee, it was by Indians. It was established. And second, Hunter Committee, it was by Britishers. 1919 also Montagu Chelmsford reforms. All we know that. 1920, why it was famous in the history? Yes. Non-cooperation movement by Gandhiji. Also non-cooperation movement started with the Khilafat movement. It was withdrawal when by Gandhiji. Non-cooperation movement was 1922. What was the reason to withdraw this non-cooperation movement? Why it was? What was the event? What was the reason? Please tell me. A great masses in Gorakhpur.
Burning of
No, no, no.
railway station.
Chaura Chauri masses, I think no. Where about 21, 22 police workers were, policemen were burnt by the revolutionaries. You can say in the leadership of the Bhagwan Lal Ahir, the name of that personality. Next, 1923. Why it was famous? 1923.
Delhi back.
Hey, no, no, no. 1923.
3.
No. Your option first Simon Commission came in India. Second Swaraj Party was established. Third Nehru Report was passed here. Anyone? Nehru Report.
I think Swaraj.
Swaraj Party was established in 1923. Can you say who were the founder of Swaraj Party? C.R. Das, Motilal Nehru and Chittaranjan Das were the founder of this Swaraj Party. Okay, 1925. Why it was important? What was the importance of 1925? Okay, and related to revolutionaries, Chandrasekhar Azad, also Ram Prasad Bismil, Asfaqullah Khan. Anyone event? Can you say? Yes, yes, yes.
It was looted by them.
Name of that masses, that events, incident is known as? No. Okay. Kakori train Dakati. I think all you know that. And 1927, why it was famous?
Simon Commission was established.
Simon Commission was established. Then when Simon Commission came in India?
1929.
Sorry? 1928 or 29?
28.
Sure. 1928. Right answer 1928. And why is famous in 1929? Nehru Report. Okay. And other things?
1929.
I would like to give a hint that it was related to the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 1929. No. Complete freedom on the bank of the Ravi River. No. Okay, can you say Pune Pact 1932 between
Gandhi and Lord
Gandhi and
Irwin.
Irvin 1932.
Ambedkar.
Gandhi and Ambedkar 1932. That is well known as Pune Pact. And a treaty, you can say also a pact that was between, you can say, the Mahatma Gandhi and also Lord Irwin.
It was known as Irwin Pact.
Irwin Pact, Delhi Pact. It was the time 1931 during the civil disobedient movement. Okay, thanks.